Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. In today's video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding word examples for the short vowel sound I. The short vowel I gives the sound A. A as in big, sit, fit, pig, fish, ring, sing, sink, ink, insect, insist, inside, and visit. So follow me as I open up the slashes now and transcribe them one after the other. So let's go. Let's be transcribing them, and I will make sure that my symbols are bold enough for you to see. This is big, sit, fit, pig. This is fish. And this one is ring. And this is not a swimming-ness. Let me make it. I just want it to be big. This is sing. Yeah. Sing. Ring. Sing. Okay. This is sing. Okay. And this one is ing. Yeah. Ing. And this one is in. Insect. And this one is insist. And this one is inside. Inside. And this is visit. Visit. So I'll close them up and then we sound them together. Okay, this is big, and this one is sit, fit, pig, fish. Most people call it fish. Fish, ring, sing, sink, ink, insect, insist, inside, and visit. Okay, let me just go over it once more. Big, sit, fit, pig, fish, ring, sing, sink, ink, insect, insist, inside, and visit. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. Please remember that transcribing words is not meant for just students and pupils. It's good for everybody. It helps to boost our memory. Thank you so much. The Lord bless you.